Welcome to WildNote. I'm Chris Webster, and we're going to look at the survey form layout screen and what the different question types are. We're starting this video on the survey form layout screen. Check out the other videos in this series in the WildNote video library for instructions on how to get to this point. The first thing you'll notice is that the first question, survey date, is already added to your new survey form. This is because WildNote automatically adds a survey date field to all new survey forms. This question cannot be modified. Click on Add Question to start building your survey form. And here's a pro tip. Always start with the end in mind when building a survey form. What are you going to use your data for? Will you need to analyze your data, or are you only going to send a report to your clients? How does it need to display? The order that you put your questions in is how they will print in your reports. The question details box is very powerful. It allows you to select the question type, the question text that is displayed on the form, whether or not the question is required, if the question has a default answer, and hide and show rules. Let's go through each of these. You can see a definition of the different question types by clicking the I. To turn off the definitions, click the I again. Question types are gathered into 7 different categories. Let's take a look at an example form with all of the question types included. The basic questions include familiar form items such as checkboxes, number counters, date, a number field, text boxes, and time. While you can use a text box for most things, selecting date, time, or number, when that's what you want, brings up a specific entry interface in the field and saves a lot of time on data entry. The multiple choice fields include multiple checkboxes and a drop-down menu with items in it where you can select as many items as needed. Media allows you to add documents, photos, digital signature, and videos to your survey forms. In the design category, you have several tools that help you organize your data and field data collection. The more you organize your survey form by using elements such as sections, lines, and helper text, the easier it is for field crews to enter data. That saves everyone time and money. 2 items in the design category are similar but have one very big difference. They are the section and repeater questions. Sections can contain any other questions. The section is just a way to offset a group of questions and allows you to expand and contract the questions as necessary. For example, when you're done collecting data in a section, you can contract it and get it out of your way. In addition, on the mobile device, sections appear in the Go To menu for easy and quick form navigation. This is especially useful on long forms. Repeaters are just like sections, except that you can tap the green Add button and repeat all those questions again. This is great for replicating paper forms that have many rows of repeated information, like photograph logs. In the geographic category, you can tap one button and use your device's internal GPS to record your location. When you go back to the web and look at your form, you'll also see a map of the location. That location will also show up on the project map. The single choice category contains several question types that all have one choice available to the user. Those include a drop-down menu for project locations, radio buttons, and radio buttons, for those that don't know, are you can only select one, so when I select it, the other one goes away. That's how they differ from checkboxes. And a drop-down for a list of items that you create yourself. Finally, the taxon category contains multiple and single select menus for items created by WildNote. When creating the survey form, you can select from many different taxon lists to use as a data source. Pro tip, once you have selected a question type in the question details page, you'll notice a box called Default Answer. If you want to pre-populate a question's answer, you would fill that in here. This is very handy for repetitive top-level information or questions that have a typical answer, as it speeds up field data collection. We'll go over some of these question types and how all this works together in other videos. Check the video library for those and other videos related to using WildNote. Thank you.